Hey guys, let's see how to connect this Happrun H1 projector to a laptop. As you can see, my projector is already working and it's projecting here on this wall and it's connected here to my laptop, right? It's not connected yet, but I can connect a cable. As you can see, I have an HDMI port here that I can just connect to my projector, or I can use a USB-C to HDMI adapter and connect an HDMI cable here as well. So that's the idea. Just use here this port, HDMI, and connect my laptop directly via HDMI cable, or I can use different devices like this one, for example, the Firestick, right, or the Fire TV. Just connect here as well and mirror my laptop. Another one that I can use is this Roku stick. I can also connect here and mirror my laptop. Let's just start with the first one here, which is connecting the cable. So the cable is coming directly from my computer, from the HDMI port. I just connect it here. And when I take a look back there, it's going to pop up this option here to select the HDMI, right? And then you just need to grab the remote control and hit OK. And there we go, it's going to load. This is the image from my computer. Super simple. If I come back here to home, you see that I also have this option here to select the HDMI input, right? If you don't see anything popping up, you just need to go there and select HDMI, right? If you don't see a message here, or you see display not found or something like this, you need to check your cables or check the computer resolution, right? So that's the easiest way to go. Just connect a single cable here, HDMI, and connect to your computer, right? Let me just disconnect this cable now and go to the second way here, which is using a Fire TV stick, right? Let me just grab here the Fire Stick and connect it here. There we go. So it pops up there. And now I need to use the remote control from the Fire Stick. That's the one. I have a lot of remotes here. The Fire TV, and I'm going to press and hold the home key here to see the option to mirror the screen, right? But before doing that, let me just show you that I need to have both the Fire Stick and the computer in the same network, right? So here on the Fire Stick TV, just come here to the settings and network, just to make sure that you have your network connected here. As you can see here, I'm connecting to this one, Max-24. And then when I come here to my computer, to my Wi-Fi, you see here that I can confirm that I'm connecting to the same network. Just make sure that you're doing this, otherwise it's not gonna work, right? After this, you just need to come here to your Fire TV stick, remote control, and press and hold the home key. Just press and hold. You see back there that I get this option for mirroring, right? So I just select here, mirroring, and now the device is waiting for the connection, okay? I got this one from my living room TV, that's why it has this name here, living room TV, but it's just the Fire Stick that I have connected here right now on my projector, right? This one. So the computer can see it now if I just come here and hit the keys here, Windows and K. So let me just hit Windows and K. And you see that's looking for available devices, right? And here I see the living room TV. That's my Roku, Fire Stick, sorry. Then I just click here and wait for it to connect. Sometimes you're gonna see an error message here, or sometimes it just connect directly. Just need to keep trying. You see now that's preparing to mirror the display from your device to your living room TV, which is my Fire Stick. And it's done, it's working, right? Sometimes if it doesn't work, you just need to try again. And when it doesn't work for me, what I do is just come here to the Wi-Fi, for example, and I come here, disable the Wi-Fi and enable the Wi-Fi again. Then you can try one more time and it's going to work, okay? So here now you see that it's extended. I can just move from screen to screen. And you can also change the way you want here if you wanna just mirror instead of the extend, you can just come here to the F8 key, and from here you see that you can duplicate, disconnect, or extend. So super simple, okay? So that's the second way to go. Now let's just disconnect and go to the other one here, which is using the Roku stick, okay? So I'm going to connect here. There we go. It's going to load the Roku there. Again, if you don't see it popping up there, you just need to come here to home using the Happrun H1 remote control and select HDMI here, right? So just press there. Then it's going to look the image from your Roku. And here on the Roku, you just need to come to the settings. So let me just use the remote control, come to settings. And here you see system. Just go here as well. And screen mirroring, right? Just check here, the screen mirror mode. It's prompting. So it's going to ask you if you want to connect, or you can click select always allow or never allow, right? And then you can mirror the device. Let me just come back here to home, and it's already waiting here to connect. If I come back here to my computer and hit the Windows key and K again, and it's looking for the device, and it found here the Roku streaming stick 4K. That's the one. I click on this one, wait for it to connect. So now it's connecting, and then I have here the message that I need to confirm. So I get the Roku Fire Stick and I confirm, allow the connection. It's going to load. There we go, starting from the computer. And there we go, takes a while, but it loads. And it's working as well. Let me just move something here and see if I can get it there. There we go. There's a little bit of latency, pixelation the first time that you connect. Let's see if that improves. That's going to depend of your network connection, but in this case it's not that good, right? You see here that's pixelating and a lot. Let me just try to refresh here the screen. There we go. Let's just move the screen one more time here and see. Still pixelating a lot, right? So Roku as an alternative, you see that I have this issue. It's pixelating a little bit. Perhaps for you, you can have a better image, but in my case here, I prefer not using this Roku stick. I can use Firestick instead, or the directly connection here with cables, okay? So these are the basic ways that you can connect your Happrun H1 projector to your laptop using cable, Firestick, or Roku TV. Or you can also use a device like this that I'm going to explain in another video here. That's a wireless display adapter that I just connect here to the computer and to the projector, and it just linked the two of them, and I have it working, right? So it's a direct connection, just like if I have a cable connected, right? So I hope that helps, but please leave your comments here if that works for you or if it doesn't work for you, and subscribe to this channel. I see you in the next video.